Welcome everyone. So today I want to make a little fast and quick video to show you guys how I traded Boeing BA on the Ichimoku cloud today. And I had some people ask me what led me to take calls and what were the signals that we're giving out. So today we're going to look at BA. So this is a chart without the Ichimoku cloud on. Let's just go ahead and put it on. So you can see these two lines. Blue line is conversion line, red line is the base line. And as you can see right here on today's candle, look at that beautiful cloud support. It just bounced exactly right on the cloud support. So if you draw fibs on this, you can perfectly see that it lines up with the 50% fib. Let's just draw it on. And there you go, 50%. It's been bouncing on the same spot. As you can see, that is a very important level, and that is exactly where it bounced today. And if we go, let's take fibs off. And let's go to a 1 minute chart so you guys can see it zoomed in. So basically this is the 1 minute chart, and right here is exactly where BA started to bounce. So this is where I went long, like right about here, and you're like, whoa, that's exactly the bottom, you're just fucking with us. No, well, let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line right here at the exact bottom, just so you guys don't think I'm bullshitting you. Let's draw it. Okay, it's on. And now let's go back on the daily. So we drew it at the bottom. Let's go to daily and wait for it. Boom, it's right exactly at the cloud support. So the bottom was exactly at the cloud support. So if you went long on cloud support, it just ripped right after. So let's go back to the 1 minute and let's see what signals we're giving off. So here you have the blue line, which is the conversion line, and the red line, which is the baseline. Basically, these are compared all the time to moving averages, but they are two different, completely different things. The blue line is the Tankinson. It's basically a single signal line, and the way it's made up is it takes the highest high and the lowest lows, and it divides by 2 of the past 9 periods. And then the red line, also known as the baseline, is the highest highs and the lowest lows divided by 2 for the past 26 periods. So people compare the blue line to basically like a 9 moving average and the red line to a 26 moving average, but they're completely different things. First of all, because these lines take up the past 9 and 26 periods, but they average in the highest highs and the highest lows of those days. Whereas a moving average doesn't do that. It only takes in the close of that day. So let's say, like, you might ask, why is that important? Well, just consider if a stock has an outrageous close, it will just, like, one day, one huge horrible candle, or a huge big boner candle, it just completely throws off the whole math behind it. So MAs I don't really like, but these are just perfect. And basically the signal that you have to look at is just compare it as if you were to look at a 50/200 MA cross, you know, like a golden cross. And here you have it, boom, blue over red line, cross. That's your signal to go long. You go long, and then you reach cloud resistance, it breaks and the candle closes over the cloud resistance, and then you have the confirmation, candle over. Then it consolidates a bit. It's okay because it already takes enough work to get over the cloud. So this is completely normal, and then boom, you go up again, and then you just have this divergence right here, which is completely normal, and there you have it. It just completely rips. So from the bottom at 363.44 approximately, it just ripped to 377. So that's crazy. Like, that rise is just insane. And that's how I trade my ichimoku clouds. And when it rips over a red cloud, then it will just use this green cloud as support, because this is support and the red cloud is resistance. So yeah, that's a little bit of how I incorporated the ichimoku cloud into my BA trade, and I hope you guys like it, and I really hope you guys start using the cloud more, because it is literally it is amazing. It not only indicates momentum, it gives off entry and exit signals, it gives off support and resistance level, it shows market bias, it helps you place your stops. Like I showed you, it just incorporates Fibonacci retracement levels. They're just amazing, and I just hope you guys start incorporating them. And obviously there are different ways to trade the cloud. I will do a video which will be long. I've been working on it, but it's so long because there's so much to talk about. But yeah, I can't tell you what kind of trader you are, like, as for the cloud, because everyone just has different risk tolerances. But I can guarantee you that if you really try to learn it, you guys are gonna love it, because some people just put it on their chart and they're like, yeah, but that's a lot of noise on my chart. And trust me, like, years ago when I first saw the cloud, I was like, fuck no, this is too much work, this is too much on my chart, it's too much noise. And now I just regret not starting to learn it sooner, and it was my mistake. But now I am honestly so knowledgeable on the cloud, and I just want to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys liked it, and hopefully that helps you guys really try to look at the cloud in a different way. I hope you guys have a wonderful end of day. Today was a crazy wild. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Take care, everyone.